In a prompt response to the tragic death of Mihirlal Debnath, a truck driver who lost his life in Teliamura on Tuesday, Chief Minister Dr Manik Saha has announced a series of stern measures to ensure accountability and justice. The state government of Tripura has taken strict action following the tragic death of the truck driver Mihirlal Debnath in a cement-laden lorry accident at Chakmaga, Teliamura. Allegation of administrative negligence prompted the government to form a 3-member committee led by the Revenue Secretary to investigate the incident. As part of the disciplinary measures, the Subdivisional Magistrate of Teliamura has been suspended and a show-cause notice has been issued to the District Magistrate of Khorang District. The state government has also announced financial assistance of 6 lakh for the family of the deceased driver. Of this amount, 4 lakh will be provided from the Disaster Mitigation Fund and the remaining 2 lakh will be provided from the Chief Minister Relief Fund. Additionally, State Minister Tinku Roy and Santana Chakma will visit the family's home in the Kanchanpur subdivision to offer their condolences. Chief Minister Dr Manik Saha shared the details of this decision in a post on social media on Wednesday evening. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.